4 essential legal documents for college-bound young adults. Hey everyone, and welcome. There's a big myth floating around out there that estate planning is only for wealthy people and married couples. But guess what? That's a total falsehood. The truth is that once you've turned 18, you're officially an adult in the eyes of the law, and that means that you need to have a few key legal documents in place. I'm attorney Jim Miskell, and today I'm going to break down the 4 legal documents that every young adult needs. Trust me, they're not complicated, but having them can save you and your loved ones a lot of potential headache down the road. So here's the deal. I appreciate you joining the podcast. The podcast is information and education, hopefully a little bit of entertainment. The issues we talk about are really important, but it does not constitute legal advice. You shouldn't take action on anything you hear in my podcast or anybody else's. That's where meeting with a qualified professional to get legal advice about your situation is really important. So this is the disclaimer. I'm a lawyer. You knew I was going to have a disclaimer. Information and education and hopefully a little entertainment. That's what the podcast is all about. When you need legal advice about your situation, you need to get that from a lawyer representing you. Whether you meet with them virtually or in person, that's the next step. That's my disclaimer. Now back to the podcast. Let's talk about the Advance Directive for healthcare. Think of this document as your voice when it comes to your medical care. If for any reason you can't make your own healthcare decisions, or if you're unable to communicate them, maybe due to an accident or sudden illness, this document allows you to name someone that you trust, like a parent or close friend, to make those decisions for you. It also outlines your wishes for medical care in the event of grave illness. For example, would you want to be put on a ventilator? Would you want to be resuscitated if you were gravely ill? Without this document in place, those decisions about your medical care will be made by someone else. An Advance Directive for Healthcare ensures that your wishes are respected and that the people that you care about can advocate for you. Another essential document is the financial power of attorney. This document allows you to appoint someone to manage your financial affairs if you become unable to do so yourself. Now, this could involve things like paying bills, accessing your bank accounts, or managing your student loans. While you might think you don't have many assets right now, this can still be incredibly helpful in unexpected situations. It provides a safety net and ensures someone that you can trust can handle your finances responsibly if needed, preventing potential financial difficulties. The Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA for short, affords parents the right to access their children's educational records. However, if you're over the age of 14, you're no longer a child in the eyes of the law, and your parents lose that authority. By signing a FERPA authorization, you can allow your parents to be able to stay in the loop. This is especially important if your parents are covering the cost of your college. They'll want to know that their money is being well spent. Now we've got your basic will. I know you might be thinking, well, I don't have anything to leave to anyone. But a will isn't just for people with lots of assets. For younger adults, a basic will can outline who you'd want to receive any of your personal belongings, like your laptop, your phone, or even sentimental items. It outlines your wishes for your digital assets also, your social media and email accounts, and can simplify the process of settling your affairs should tragedy strike. It provides clarity and can ease the burden on your loved ones during a difficult time. So there you have it, the 4 essential legal documents every adult over 18 should consider having in place: an Advance Directive for Healthcare, a financial power of attorney, a FERPA authorization, and a basic will. These aren't just for the wealthy or the elderly. They're for any legal adult who wants to protect themselves and their loved ones and ensure that their wishes are respected. Taking these steps might seem a little daunting, but it's one of the most responsible things that you can do as a young adult. So talk to your parents or a trusted advisor. Consider reaching out to an experienced estate planning attorney in your area to get these documents in order. It's an investment in your future, peace of mind, and the well-being of those you care about. Thanks for watching.